Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a knitting stitch tutorial. And the stitch we're going to be doing today is called the purse stitch. It is a 1-row repeat and you cast on in multiples of 2. So I have a total of 26 stitches for my cast on here. The first thing I'm going to do is bring my yarn to the front and purl 1 stitch. Then I'm going to yarn over and purl 2 together. And that's my repeat to the last stitch. Yarn over, bring the yarn back to the front, purl 2 together. Yarn over and purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. We're going to do this all the way to the last stitch. When you've reached your last stitch, you're simply just going to purl the last stitch. Turn your work over and repeat that row. Purl the first stitch, yarn over, and purl 2 together. Yarn over, repeat this to your last stitch, and purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. And when you get to your last stitch, you're simply going to purl your last stitch. So I'm going to work on this for a little bit to give you a little bit better of a sample to look at, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, so after working up several rows of the 1-row repeat, you can see what the purse stitch looks like. It is completely 100% reversible. It is super cool. It's got a lot of texture, but yet a lot of breathing room. This would be great for multiple applications. It could be used as if you want to do it in like a cotton or a lighter weight yarn, you could do this for some type of cover up or vest, or even in this worsted weight yarn, you could do it as a cardigan, something like that. But yeah, it's super cool looking. So that is the purse stitch. 1-row repeat, multiples of 2. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this super easy knitting stitch tutorial. And be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.